All right, let's get right into it. Today, we are counting down the 10 most essential AI tools that are really defining 2026. From how you work to how you create, these platforms are changing, well, pretty much everything. So, let's dive in.
You know, that quote really nails it. The pace of AI evolution is absolutely breathtaking, and honestly, it can be tough to keep up. That's why today we're going to cut through all the noise and focus on the platforms that are making the biggest impact right now.
So that's the big question, right? With so many tools out there, which ones actually matter? Well, we've looked at the trends, we've looked at the impact, and we've put together what we think is the definitive list. Let's kick off our countdown with number 10.
Kicking things off at number 10, we've got Google's Gemini. Now, its superpower is what's called native multimodality. See, unlike some other models that kind of bolt on features, Gemini was built from the ground up to understand text, images, and code all at the same time. If you live in the Google ecosystem, that deep integration makes it an incredibly powerful sidekick.
Coming in at number 9 is Adobe Firefly. This one is all about integration and, really importantly, safety. Firefly puts generative AI right inside the tools creatives use every day, like Photoshop and Illustrator. But its killer feature? It's trained on licensed content, which means it's commercially safe to use. For professional designers, that is a total game changer.
Number 8 is Perplexity AI, and I think this is a real evolution of the search engine. Instead of just giving you a list of links, Perplexity actually scours the web, synthesizes all that information into a clear answer, and, this is the crucial part, it gives you citations. For anyone doing research or just trying to find the truth, that transparency makes it an absolutely essential tool.
In the number 7 spot, we have ElevenLabs, the clear leader in AI voice synthesis. And believe me, this is so far beyond those old robotic text-to-speech voices. ElevenLabs generates incredibly natural-sounding speech with real emotional range across dozens of languages. It's setting a completely new standard for everything from audiobooks to digital assistants.
At number 6, it's Notion AI. This isn't just about generating text, it's about understanding the entire context of a team's workspace. It can instantly summarize huge documents, organize your scattered notes, and pull out key action items from project boards. For teams that already live inside Notion, it is a massive boost for clarity and collaboration.
Breaking into our top 5 is Runway ML, which has become the go-to platform for AI video. What this tool is doing is basically democratizing a whole creative field. You can generate entire video scenes just from a text prompt, or pull off complex edits that used to require a professional studio. Runway is putting the power of high-end video production into literally everyone's hands.
All right, at number 4, just missing the podium, is GitHub Copilot. For software developers, this tool has been nothing short of revolutionary. It's like having an AI partner right there in your code editor, suggesting lines or even entire functions as you type. By taking care of all the repetitive stuff, it dramatically speeds up development and frees up coders to focus on the really hard problems.
Okay, here we are, the top 3. These are the heavy hitters, the titans of the AI world in 2026. These are the tools that have truly, fundamentally shifted how we think and how we create. Let's get to it.
Kicking off our top 3, landing in the number 3 spot, we have Midjourney. Yeah, when it comes to generating beautiful, artistic, and just coherent images from text, Midjourney is still the undisputed king. Its aesthetic quality is simply on another level.
And that's what makes it the essential tool for artists, designers, and really anyone who's just exploring creative ideas. It's not just about making an image, it's about creating a piece of art that has a distinct and powerful style.
And now for our runner-up. In the number 2 position is a tool that's known for its incredible depth and reliability. It is Claude from Anthropic. Claude has really earned this spot through sheer power and dependability. It's famous for its massive context windows, meaning it can analyze huge documents or long conversations, and for its really nuanced, thoughtful responses.
That combination makes it the professional's choice, you know? It's for those complex analysis jobs or multi-step tasks where you need consistency and a deep understanding of what's going on. And that, of course, leaves us with number 1, the most influential, the most widely used, and the single most defining AI tool of 2026 is, you probably guessed it,
ChatGPT, powered by GPT-4. I mean, come on, it's the tool that brought generative AI to the world. It became a household name. It's basically synonymous with the technology itself. Its top spot really comes down to its incredible versatility and just massive adoption.
From students getting help with homework to professionals writing code or solving complex business problems, its impact is just unparalleled. It is the indispensable all-purpose AI assistant for millions and millions of people.
So there you have it, our top 10 AI tools of 2026. But looking at this list reveals something deeper, a trend that's maybe more important than any single one of these tools.
See, the most successful AI tools, the ones that are really sticking around, they aren't about replacing people. They're acting more like collaborative partners. They augment our creativity, they boost our productivity, and they enhance our ability to analyze things, helping us do things that were honestly out of reach before.
And this leaves us with one last, pretty fascinating question. We've seen what these tools can do on their own, but as they start getting more integrated, creating this whole ecosystem where specialized AIs can work together, what are the truly massive problems we're going to solve next? Something to think about. Thanks for watching.